Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable model watermark and time watermark in Redmi Note 9. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be want to, whenever you're going to take a picture, let's just enable time and model watermark. For example, if I'm going to take a picture, if I go here, there is not appear time or model watermark. So in this case, if you want to enable these things, you need to go in your device, this upper three dot icon, and then you need to click here setting. After click over setting, you will find here first one which is saying watermark. If you click that, here if you want to enable device watermark, you can easily turn it on. And if you want to also add timestamp on photo, you can also turn it on. Either you can, if you want to make a custom watermark, you can do that. Let me go back and let me try to take a picture and let me see, is it enable time and model watermark or not. You can see just now I had enabled and now it's appeared the model and the time watermark. So this is how we can easily enable time and model watermark in Redmi Note 9. Now you might want to disable these things. You can do that same way. Go on this three line icon, click here setting. If you want to click here on watermark, and you can easily turn this off if you want. So this is how we can easily enable or disable model and time watermark in your Redmi Note 9. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.